we will use the black color to do the number 1. You can choose to use whichever color you choose to use, but I'm going to be using the black color to do number 1. Number 1, and you're watching Numbers for Kids. Numbers for Kids. Number 1. What comes after number 1? Number 2 comes after number 1. And I will use the red color to do number 2. Remember that you can choose to use a different color to color your numbers. Number 2. We will now do number 3. Number 3 comes after number 2. I will use the orange color to do number 3. Number 3. Which number comes after number 3? Number 4. Number 4, so we'll use the yellow color for number 4. Number 4. After number 4, we have number 5. Let's use the green color for number 5. Number 5. Then we have number 6. We will use this brown color for number 6. Number 6. This is Numbers for Kids. Number 6. After number 6, we have number 7. We will use the blue color for number 7. I hope that you're enjoying this Numbers for Kids video. You're watching Numbers video for kids. Number 7. After number 7, we have number 8. Let's use the purple color to do our number 8. Number 8.